Welcome to Daily Motivation and Inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life and give you the simple solutions to living a better, happier life. So today I'm going to be talking with you about how you can get things done more efficiently. If you are someone who has problems getting things done in a day and you feel like you have things unfinished and you have a checklist of undone things that you just can't get done, or you don't feel like you're going to get done for the day, then this video is for you, because what I'm going to share with you works. So the key here is that we live inside of a vacuum. We only have so much space and time for our day, and we all have 1,440 minutes a day, yet some of us get things done much easier and faster than others. So the question is, what do you need to do to be more effective with your time? How can you say no to things? Because if you don't say no, you only have so much space in your day, so much time, and if you don't say no, guess what? You're going to fill that space with all sorts of things that you say yes to. So every day you get opportunities to say no to things. You could say no to looking at Facebook and posting on your friends' posts. You can say no to a new opportunity that's going to sidetrack you. Yesterday I said no to a podcast interview that could happen this week. I said no to it. Why? Because I have other priorities. I'm using my calendar. So if you're not using your calendar, then you don't know where you're going, what you're doing. You're not measuring your performance. And so if you don't do that, how are you going to see exactly what's happening and if you're achieving anything? There's just no way. So again, we only have 1,440 minutes per day, but we have to be really conscious of what we're doing with that time. Otherwise, it'll just fade away. And so many opportunities come to do other things. A neighbor comes over to talk to you, and you get distracted, and you let them talk to you for an hour. That's an hour of your day that you didn't plan. But if somebody came onto your property and asked some questions, you would probably just say no thanks and send them on their way. Why? Because they're soliciting. It's the same thing. It's just that you know your neighbor, you're being polite, and you don't want to say no to them. But meanwhile, you have something to do. So you can't just let things distract you all the time, because that's the problem. Distraction is all around and it's waiting to happen. And if you don't get control over what's going on in your focus and think about what you want and then give it your undivided attention, guess what? Anything can happen. Anything at all. And so you need to be total focus of what you want. And I have an awesome tool for you. It's going to be below. For anybody who's in business, by the way, and if you're scaling your business, this is the best tool that you can use. It's called a Profitable Progression Productivity Planner, and it is the last planner that you'll ever need. Productivity Planner. It's the last one you'll ever need because it gives you everything you need. It's so simple to use, but it produces amazing results. So, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out. If you are, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about what I shared today. If you have any questions, let me know as well. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.